Howdy, howdy. I'm Ann McCormick, the Herb and Cowgirl, and today I'm going to talk to you about how easy it is to transform a few materials you can get from your local nursery and create your own edible garden that you can enjoy all summer long. This is going to be easy as 1, 2, 3, pot, plant, and place. So let's get started with the pot. Now, this is actually more important than you might think, because what you need to do is have a pot with a large enough volume. Think of the volume of the pot as the reservoir from which the roots of the plants are going to be pulling nutrients and water. And it's kind of like dealing with teenagers, teenage boys. If you have them in the house, you know that refrigerator needs to be well stocked. Well, just about any one of these edible plants are essentially teenagers in the garden. They need a lot of nutrients and often a lot of water, especially during our hot Texas summers. And so that's the first thing, is get a good sized pot, at least a foot deep. Now that you have a pot with some quality potting soil in it, I've got this all set up, we're going to put our plants in it. Give it a good sharp swat on the bottom. Now this one's in good condition. As you can see, you see some roots around the edge. That's pretty good, not much of a problem. This is a tomato plant, and I'm going to plant it off to one side. Give it a little pull out to encourage the roots to spread out, because roots that have spread out get as much of the nutrients as they need, and they can access all the water that's in the area. Now here's one, I just loved this. This was a pepper, and I had to pick this one. It was called Mad Hatter Pepper. The name sold it for me, so I decided I definitely needed this one. But this one, I believe, yes, that's what I thought. This one is a little root bound. It's been in the pot a bit too long. So before I put it in the garden, I am going to be pulling this off so that we encourage the roots to move out. Now let me get this one put together, and then of course, being the urban cowgirl, as you well know, I am going to put this plant in as well, which is salad burnet. It's an excellent herb that has a nice cucumber flavor. A lot of people aren't aware of it, but it's a great salad herb, and I encourage you to try growing it. It's a perennial, and it'll last for year after year. Now, once you get this in the pot with the tops put together, then you need to fill it in and decide where you're going to be placing it. So this is pot, plant, and place. Place it in full sun, because all of these are going to need full sun. Give it plenty of water, fertilize it monthly, and that should give you your edible container all summer long. So for Backyard Basics, I'm Ann McCormick, the Herb and Cowgirl.